Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a 3-prong dryer cord on an electric dryer. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to locate your terminal block on the back side of the dryer. So on this particular dryer, it's going to be right behind this cover right here. So let's go ahead and pop that off. Alright, now on the 3-prong cord, pretty straightforward. You got 3 cables that you're going to feed in through here. So once you get those fed in, just move them out of the way for a minute because I'm going to show you, get enough in there so that they can connect, but you'll see where they're going to connect in just a second here. So let me move these out of the way for a second. But I want to point out these wires are going to get secured right behind these screws here. So I'm going to pop these screws off. I'm grabbing it with my finger intentionally because I don't want it to fall. So we'll pop those screws off right there. So that's going to show you where these cables are going to go. But if you look closely, right underneath here, there's you can see that the colors on the different terminals right here. There's the red here on the right. You got the white neutral right here in the middle, and then on the left hand side is the black. So it's hard to see unless you look down under, as you see right there, there's the different colors. With the 3-prong dryer cord, all you have to do is just make sure that the outside wires on the cord, so as you see, we're feeding it in here, there's a wire in the middle, and then you got a wire on each side. Just look at that closely. So the 2 outside wires are your hots. So you just got to make sure that the outside wires are connected to the red and the black wires. So depending on your terminal block on your dryer, you're just going to look for the red and the black wire and make sure you connect the 2 outside wires on the cord. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure you tighten these down nice and tight so that they don't move, or then there's no play there. Oops, let's grab that. All right, and then of course, once your hots are connected to the red and black, it doesn't really matter what order you do this, it's just the order that I'm showing you. And then of course in the middle where your white neutral wire is, that's going to be where the middle prong wire is going to be secured, as you see here. Boom. Make sure they're all nice and tight. And the last thing is just making sure that you secure the clamp to the cord so it just can't get yanked out if for whatever reason it doesn't get pulled. So just tighten this up. I had this already pre-installed, but in your case it might come with the cord, but just feed each side in and then just tighten down the screw. As you can see here, once you tighten it down, it tightens to the cord. And there you go, nice and tight, good to go. There you have it. That's how to install a 3-prong dryer cord on an electric dryer. Like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.